The importance of taking risks. In life, there are countless opportunities that we may miss out on if we never take a chance. So it is often said that if we never try, we will never know that we are truly capable of achieving. So this statement holds true in various aspects of life, whether it is pursuing our dreams, overcoming challenges, or embracing new experiences. By stepping out of our comfort zones, it embraces the unknown. So we open ourselves up to the world of possibilities and personal growth. And by the way, there is a power of stepping outside your comfort zone. So in order to truly discover our potential, it is essential to push ourselves beyond our perceived limits. So by stepping outside your comfort zones, we expose ourselves to new challenges and experiences. And that can lead to personal and professional growth. I have that experience. It is through these experiences that we learn valuable lessons. You develop new skills and gain a deep understanding of ourselves and what we are, the potential we have to do some of the things. Then we have to also start overcoming the fear of failure. One of the main reasons why people hesitate to try new things is the fear of failure. So, however, it is important to remember that failure is not a reflection of our worth of abilities. So, in fact, failure is often a stepping stone to success. So, by embracing failure as an opportunity to learn and grow, we can overcome our fear and take the necessary risks to achieve our goals. Then there is another thing where you have to embrace the unknown. Just go outside there, do what you don't know, and try it out. So if we never try, we will never know what we truly capable of doing or achieving. So by embracing the unknown and taking those risks, we open ourselves up to the world of opportunities and personal growth. So let's go outside there. We kick our fears, step outside your comfort zone and see where life takes you. And I know you can do it. So if you never try, you'll never know your capability of achieving some of the things. I say now, Subtech Online. Bye.